The remote control, one of the most mundane and frequently used products today. Bought with the television or as a universal remote, the controller itself has seen little improvement for decades. The rise of the smart television has seen features such as text input become possible, constrained by the ability to only input one character at a time. This is a small frustration for those who use the product, but what about those who make them? In the case of one of the leading television manufacturing brands, Samsung, workers, sometimes underage, have been experiencing 24-hour work periods with only 1 day off per month. Workers not only assembling the products, but mining and transporting the materials to make those products too. Is there a way to show consumers how ethically sound their brand of product is, while addressing a small problem to gain access to them in a non-invasive way? Is there a way to influence future purchasing decisions by educating consumers quickly and directly?
Our redesign acknowledges the integrated lifestyle we have with technology. This proposal is an app that connects to the television or smart monitor without the involvement of a physical remote. As seen previously, the evolution from turning knobs on a television to a handheld remote dedicated to the specific television or box to a universal remote is now ready for the next step in evolution to keep up with our progressive and technology-based lifestyle. The intended impact for this redesign is to act as a tool to better social environments whilst also addressing environmental impacts in regards to manufacturing situations. This will allow for manufacturing costs to lower, thus reducing the waste of materials, the increase of casting-based software to be developed, and minimize the time finding the physical remote if misplaced and then figuring out the steps involved to locate a channel or switch between applications. Similar to the Apple Remote application on most Apple devices that allows interaction with an Apple TV, this smart remote will allow for a universal means to navigating the television and its included applications such as Google, YouTube, and Netflix, while being accompanied by a displayed rating system to determine how well the brand of product stacks up against others.
From 2018 to 2019, remote controller have a compound annual growth rate of 2%. A growth of 57.38 million units is expected between 2019 and 2024, and almost double the amount in 2019. Robust development in entertainment industry, along with increasing number of consumers watching televisions for different purposes, has underpinned the growth of remote controller market. The market is fragmented with several players occupying the market share. 86% of the growth will originated from APAC. One of the key drives for this market will be the increase in the sales of smart television. Global sales of remote control is $7 billion in 2018. North America remains the leading market with revenue of $1.8 billion in 2018. Sales in the region are driven by growing in popularity, adoption of wide range of smart devices, and home automation systems.